Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally gold broke the critical level of 1925 after the news. Gold made a low of 1915, 1916 and gold tried to recover. We can see right now that gold is trying its best to recover, but the market sentiment is not in favor. We can clearly see that the present trend of the market is towards the downside. In simple words, sellers are dominating this market. And as we all know it very well, the dollar index is an uptrend for quite some time. In fact, all the news are also helping dollar to move up. So technically dollar is bullish. Fundamentally also dollar is bullish right now. Yesterday dollar took support around the previous resistance here, which was around 104.70, and it tried to bounce back. You can see the dollar is standing at the top, still trying to move up. During the day, if market comes for retracement, then we can expect that after retracement dollar will try to bounce back again. So if dollar goes for a little retracement, then you can expect 104.70 around this area to act as support and bounce. In case dollar goes for deeper retracement, 104.50, 104, these are the levels that will be working as support for DXY. But my dear friends, I would also like to take you to the economic calendar. Today in the US session, we have news coming up. So yes, market will be volatile again. So you need to be careful. And if the initial jobless claims also comes out positive for dollar, then obviously dollar will be going up again. So you need to follow the trend of the market in that case. As I always tell you guys, my dear friends, it is very important for you, not for you actually, for us, to know when to trust the technicals and when to trust the fundamentals. When fundamentals are dominating the market is in a particular direction because of fundamentals, then obviously following the trend of the market is the best thing to do. That's why trend is the most important thing in the market. Trend is also considered as your friend. Okay, on the other hand, okay, when the news is not very major, okay, when the news doesn't have much impact, in that case, in absence of news, okay, you can expect the technicals to work. So whenever there's a battle between technicals and fundamentals, fundamentals always win. Okay, so let's talk about gold right now. So my dear friends, right now gold is standing at 1920. This is the current market price. So if you're a swing trader, okay, if you're a swing trader, then obviously you need to follow the present trend of the market here, and considering the present trend, you should be going for sell on rise. Simple strategy. If you're a swing trader, if you like to hold your positions for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, then obviously whenever market will be reversing from resistance, that is the best spot to take a sell position. In this case, if you're a swing trader, your sell level can be 1925. The previous support will be acting as resistance. 1930, okay, it was also a minor support 1 or 2 days ago. So 1925, 1930, these are the levels where you can expect the market to reverse. If market reverses, you can take a swing sell position and be on the trade for 2 or 3 days, because you can see here we have drawn Fibonacci, and we can see around 1924-25 we have the Fibo 23.6% retracement level, and we know it very well. 25 was the support, so the previous support will be acting as resistance. Okay, and then you can see around 1929, 1930, okay, we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, you can also see we have the 200 moving average, and 1930 was also a minor support here. So if we combine all the three factors, previous support will be acting as resistance, 200 moving average, Fibo 38.2% retracement level. So you can expect that sellers will try to push the market down from here. If market reverses, you can take a sell and sit on the trade for a couple of days. So if you're a swing trader, sell on rise should be your only trading strategy. And if you're a day trader, then also sell on rise is the best trading strategy, or I will say that sell on rise is a safe trading strategy for you. But yes, day traders also have the liberty of quick entry and exit. So if you can handle the risk, you can also look for buy at support as well for quick entry purpose. Okay, so now let's look at the levels for the day traders. So first of all, 1925 is the resistance. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. 1924.5, 1925, 1926, that particular area, and then 1930, around 1930. Clear? So those levels are valid for day trader. As a day trader, those are valid for you also. Clear? On the other hand, we have support level at 1911 here. Okay, you can see overall market has been respecting our Fibo setup till date. Okay, so we can expect that our next Fibonacci retracement level of 0.618 will be working as a next support for the market. If not a complete support, obviously the trend of the market is towards the downside. We cannot expect the market will be reversing from here, but at least we can expect a bounce, especially before the news. After news, if market becomes volatile, if market shows red candle, obviously the technicals will not work. As I said earlier, you need to follow the fundamentals. Okay, but if we see the market is going down before news, market is trying to take support around 1911 1912 level, you can go for a buy position. How much you can expect? You can expect around 35 to 40 pips. But if you see the bounce is good, if you see the dollar is also going for some retracement, okay, then you can expect more than 30-40 pips. You can expect 50 to 60 pips as well. It depends on the market scenario. Okay, if may not be you may not be happy with sometimes 20-25 pips, but if the market is capable of 25 pips, then you need to be happy with 20-25 pips, because flexibility is very important. Sometimes on a single trade you will be getting 200 pips, but sometimes you also need to learn to be happy with 20-25 pips also. So as a day trader, if you want to take the risk of buying at support, then obviously you cannot expect a huge amount of pips. In that case, 30-35 pips bounce is also decent enough. So the level is 1911 to 1913. You can see here around 1911 we have Fibo 61.8% retracement level, and around 1913 we have previous price rejection, or you can say support around this area. That's why this will be working as a zone in the market, buyer's zone. So if market comes and bounces, we can go for a buy position. But the problem with zones is that it becomes difficult for us when to buy or when to sell, because see, overall the levels in the market is work in the market as zones: support zone, resistance zone. And when the zone is big, see, 1911 1913 is a small zone, but sometimes, okay, the zone is around 50-60 pips. Okay, in that case it becomes very difficult for us to understand, to determine when to take the buy, when to take the sell. That's why I always tell you guys that you need to switch to a lower time frame just to watch the price rejection and then take the order. Okay, that's it. Okay. And after news, if market is very volatile, listen to me carefully. If after news market is very volatile, if you see that market is standing at 1911 level with a big red candle, obviously you need to use your common sense. Common sense trading goes side by side. Okay. So okay, if market stands at 1911 with a big red candle, obviously support will not work after news. Okay, in that case you can also look for a sell position below 1911 as well, because this is a support. If market breaks 1911, you can see here we do not have any immediate level here. Okay, the next support is around 1904, this one. Okay, so if you want, then you can also go for a sell position below 1911 if market breaks it. So the volatility of the market will be important. The volatility of the market will decide whether market will be respecting the level or not. Okay, so what are the support levels on the chart of gold right now? We have two support levels. 1904 1905 seems to be the best support on the chart of gold right now, and it is a level where you can expect a good bounce, big bounce. But right now we have immediate support around 1911 1913 level because of previous support and Fibo 61.8% retracement level. But the trend of the market is very much towards the downside, so we can simply expect a minor bounce, small bounce. Day traders, you can look for a quick bounce around this area of 35 to 40 pips. But as the trend of the market is towards the downside, obviously sell on rise is the best trading strategy for day traders, swing traders. This is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. Okay, I have a risky opportunity to share with you guys. As you can see that if I remove the drawing here, and if I simply consider only this particular portion of the chart, how many Fibos I have drawn? Okay, see here. You can see on 15 minutes time frame, when we are only considering this particular portion of the chart here, market is following Fibo here. So before news, strictly before news, okay, there is a possibility that market may also show some reversal signs like this around 1922 area as well, 1922 to 1923. So 1925, yes, obviously it is there because of previous support will be working as resistance. We have seen on overall chart also it is Fibo 23.6. But day traders, if you have the risk appetite, if you are a daredevil kind of a trader, okay, you can also look for quick selling opportunity around 1922-23 during the day, especially during the Asian session and European session if market reverses. But be careful during the US session, news is coming up. Try to follow the fundamentals, try to follow the trend of the market after the news. That's all from my side. Okay, and my dear friends, okay, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for my world's most affordable forex trading workshop. The Hindi workshop has started from yesterday, and the English workshop is coming up. It is starting from 11th of September. Okay, those who don't know, okay, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Okay, you can go to the website, the link is in the description. You can see here the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving in the Pro Trader program. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And as I've told earlier multiple times, that this workshop is not for complete beginners. Yes, my dear friends, don't come and ask to me that can I join. I have recently joined the market, I don't know anything about the market. No, this workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. Okay, so if you don't know about charts, if you don't know about patterns, then obviously this workshop will not be very beneficial for you because you won't be able to understand the concept. Okay, so in simple words, you need to lose money first, okay, to understand it. Okay, so you can see here I have also mentioned all the topics here. It's a 3 days workshop, so everything is mentioned on the website. These are the topics that we'll be discussing in the workshop, and as I said, okay, you will also be getting 1 month support after the workshop. In 1 month support there will be weekly sessions also, and these are the topics that we will be discussing in our weekly classes, because obviously 3 days workshop is not enough to make you aware of the important topics of the market. Okay, so I have designed a workshop in such a way that after 3 days workshop, once you complete these 4 topics, okay, you will be capable enough to survive in the market and to go long. Okay, and you can see here the next dates for English workshop is 11, 12 and 13. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, once you are done with the payment, okay, you simply need to share the screenshot on this WhatsApp number, or you can also email here with your WhatsApp number. The best part, yes, the best part is the fees. The fees is only $15 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. These are the benefits that you will be receiving during the 1 month. And obviously trading is a journey, it takes time. If you are really struggling, if you're looking for guidance, mentorship, or if you're looking for personal sessions with me, then obviously you can sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. These are also very much affordable. You can see only $65, rupees 4,000 for Indians, and these are the benefits that you'll be getting, and 2 personal sessions with me. And if you sign up for lifetime, then 6 personal sessions along with all these benefits. So yes, trading is a journey, it takes time, and definitely you can sign up if you're really serious about trading and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.